So this is the algebra tiles model for factoring, which you might find helpful when you're trying to wrap your head around the idea. Some people do. The idea with these is that a big square represents x squared. A rectangle, a stick, is a plain old x. And small squares are ones. They use color coding for positives and negatives, but this seems to be all positives, so we won't worry about that too much. So if you were to write an expression for this, we've got 2x squareds. And then x's, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 x's. And then we have 6. So that would be our polynomial expression that represents the same thing those tiles do. If they want you to represent the tiles as a rectangle, meaning we have to take all of these shapes and put them into a rectangular block. Let's see. The 2x squares start off like so. All these have to be touching each other, so I'm keeping everything as tightly packed as I can. The other pieces we're going to get are the 6 individuals, which I'll put like this. There's no obvious rule saying that you should do them corner to corner like this. This is just a trick that I've picked up that works pretty consistently with algebra tiles. And now we have a total of 7 rectangles to arrange. It's possible to do 1, 2, 3 like that, and then over here we can put 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that's 2x squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 x's, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there they all are as a rectangle. Now, if you look at the edges of this rectangle and try to figure out what their measurements are, a long measurement like this is considered to be an x, and a short measurement like this is a 1. So on this side we have x, a 1, a 1. Going the other way, we have an x, another x, and then 1, 1, 1. The point of all this is that if you look at these measurements, this is saying that 2x squared plus 7x plus 6 could be made up of an x plus 2, and if you count this way, a 2x plus 3. So solving this rectangle puzzle is, in a way, equivalent to factoring, because you can say that 2x squared plus 7x plus 6 is the same as x plus 2 times 2x plus 3. Last little bit. Oh, I ruined the surprise. Use the algebra tile diagram to express the polynomial in factored form. We just did. Breaking this up is the same as saying this area is the same as x plus 2 times 2x plus 3. It would be just like if you had, here's a really simple one. Something like this would be like saying that, that 6 is the same as 2 by 3. 6 square feet is the same as a 2 foot by 3 foot rectangle. This is the same thing, only the polynomial version. So x plus 1, 2, and on this side 1x, 2x plus 1, 2, 3.